Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of water technology. AQUALINE is transforming the way we approach water purification, revolutionizing how water is treated across the Middle East to ensure every drop is pure and safe. Join us as we showcase our innovations in water purification. AQUALINE Water Technology, a leader in providing water and wastewater treatment solutions. We started from Turkey by Esli, then we expanded our operations with a regional office in Amman, Jordan, and Dubai, UAE. We cover industrial, commercial, medical, and domestic sectors. We are part of AQUALINE Water Group and can therefore count on the support and strength of this international European business group. We work through the AQUALINE Water Group network with 5 manufacturers, 23 distribution offices, and 2 engineering companies. AQUALINE operates through 5 key departments working together: distribution, engineering, projects, production, installation, and operation. Together they ensure efficient operations and consistently deliver high-quality solutions to our clients. The distribution department ensures the timely availability of components and distributing high-quality parts and exclusively representing trusted brands. In-house manufacturing of certain equipment, combined with strategically located warehouses in Turkey, Belgium, China, and the UAE. The engineering department, staffed by skilled specialists, offers comprehensive end-to-end services, including water and wastewater consultancy, financial analysis and cost estimation, feasibility studies for advanced projects, custom plant design, 3D modeling and simulation, and equipment selection and specification. The project department works closely with the engineering department to turn designs into executable projects that meet client needs, budgets, and manufacturing capabilities. The team ensures clear communication, manages pricing, selects brands, and coordinates with production to schedule delivery. The production department operates 6 factories in Turkey and the UAE, specializing in industrial and domestic systems. With over 900 skilled employees and advanced machinery, we ensure top-quality production and hold key international certifications. The installation and operation department ensures smooth setups, risk mitigation, and reliable plant performance with advanced remote control technologies. With a proven track record, AQUALINE has delivered hundreds of projects and operates thousands of units across the Middle East, North Africa, and Africa. We bring unmatched expertise to every project. At AQUALINE, we don't just purify water, we create a better future. Together, let's make every drop count. Join our mission. Make water count.